Pleasant evening to all you distinguished guests, celebrity stars of Slim People's Awards, nominees and winners. We stand today as one nation, hearing those Sri Lankan voices who wholeheartedly voted all of us to grace this all-important landmark, celebrating the 15th Slim People's Awards. Personally, for me, it's a celebration of a lifetime, and I'm certain it will be the same for all of you, gracing this prestigious event. Our chief guest, Honorable Minister for National Heritage, Rural Arts and MP, Mr. Vidura Vikramanayaka. We are indeed humbled, sir, to see your personality and you demonstrate yourself of what you speak about. Our guest of honor, past President, Dr. Pradeep Edwards, President of SLIM, Mr. Roshan Fernando. I'm honored to host the last event of your successful year. Vice President Events and the entire EXCO. Without the EXCO support, nothing moves at SLIM. CEO and the SLIM management, the Nielsen IQ team, Terika, and all the sponsors who have been untirelessly supporting right throughout to make this Slim People's Awards a success, and all the partners and all of the pillars and forces behind today's success. Together with my Slim People's Committee, whom you saw, and the Slim Events team, wholeheartedly thank all of you. Without your support, we wouldn't have made this possible. For 15 long years, Slim People's Awards have grown in magnitude, touching the voices of Sri Lanka, persuading them to recognize and reward the national treasures of Sri Lanka, purely bestowed by the people's choices and not by a judging process. I shall praise the benevolent support given by all of the Slim past leaders. You took the reins and the efforts to build the class and equity of People's Awards for last 15 years. And for me, all the nominees are Slim People's Award winners. The pride that you take today is a clear nostalgia, and it will give a lot support and courage to prosper and to raise the bar. And for all those Slim accolades, your painstaking efforts are rewarded today, and it doesn't mean that your journey ends here. The responsibility that you have is to help Slim People's Awards grow in leaps and bounds, allowing us to one day soon celebrate this event in the South Asian region. The Slim Award winners of People's Awards, I strongly believe that they have a faithful set of values and qualities. And they could use this to inspire the categories in which you represent to greater heights. In this way, you are contributing to build greater Sri Lankan citizens. I would like to recognize the efforts of Slim Nielsen team. Amidst many challenges, we together demonstrated our expertise, our commitment, and the credible process that we have been having for last 15 years have never been compromised. And this is to all the 21st century marketers. The data is available. Please reach us and we will help you access that too, where you could use, as rightly the chief guest said, in the AI and the next generation communications in marketing. So together with the Deputy Project Chair, Shiraz, I shall conclude in saying and wishing all of you nothing but an unprecedented success. Enjoy the rest of the evening and hope this event brings you a lot memorable glory. Thank you.